Hi, today we're going to present the impact of creating dietary oil or concentration with a constant energy level and tolerance of broiler chicken to high ambient temperature. So this article is very important in a broiler. We are going to start with a introduction, the part very important. The introduction it's say us that the poultry production in a hot region is challenged by a high environment temperature causing heat stress and adversely impacts the productive and reproductive traits and welfare and chickens. Adjusting the nutrient content the chicken diet is suggested an effective way to negative problem caused by a high ambient temperature. It's very important the temperature and the feed broiler consumption. For the materials and methods, it's it take broiler males 114 chickens were used in the Stranger Run Strand experiment designed and distributed run small among 4 treatments groups with a 7 replicate for treatment and 5 broilers per replicate during 21 to 42 days old. The chickens were fed isocaloric and isonitrogenous diets, contain 4 levels of dietary vegetable oils (DVO) of 2.7 and 4.6 and 8% during 25 and 27. This is the first group, and the 31 and 33 and 38 and 40 of days of age of the broiler. Broiler were exposed to heat stress for 4 hours a day. At the 34 degrees Celsius and 70 to 75% of the relative humidity. And this is the treatment, and we can see the results in this article. It's very important that in this table we can see show a cubic type patterns in a body weight and gain to the metabolism energy, feed conversion, protein conversion ratio, and metabolized energy conversion ratio. It's very important that the best result is that we can see this with this effect on the increasing the dietary supplements on the body weight gain, feed intake, and feed protein, and the feed conversion ratio, and survival rate, and European production index during this time. The best result is with dietary vegetable oil to 80 grams 4 kilograms to this dietary oil supplements is the best with 80 grams per kilograms. And the next we can see the another response in this dietary that is very important. In conclusion, we can see the broiler chicken feed dietary contain 8% DVO, that this oil vegetable, have an increasing tolerance to a high ambient temperature, the 34 degrees Celsius, with a 70 to 75 percent during the period when they are 21 to 42 days old, that the broiler, and evidencing by increasing in the productive performance quality, blood hematological and biochemical traits, antioxidants, and immunity. For the and after, it's very important this feed in the inclusion of broiler.